Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our latest YouTube lesson. Today we're going to talk about a very specific piece of grammar. Today we're going to talk about the future continuous, because a lot of my students here in France have been asking me about this question. So I want to explain it, and then I also want to explain about how we use it. The future continuous talks a lot about an exact moment. So we pick a moment in the future and we think about the action that will be happening at that exact moment. Okay? Now, the important thing to remember is you've heard me say specific, exact, and that's important because we are talking about a very defined, one very clear moment. We are not talking in general. We are not talking about a long period of time. I tend to use this when I talk about travel or when I talk about my schedule, my diary. So for example, I might say next week on Monday at 2:30 I will be teaching a class, because the action will be happening at that specific moment. Okay? If I say next week and I'm not being specific, I can say I am teaching a class, and I'd use the present continuous to talk about the future. If I'm traveling, let's say my flight is at 2 o'clock, I can say, well, at 2:30 I will be flying, because I know at 2:30 that action will be continuing. You often hear it used with a specific time or a specific date, and that's the key thing to remember: a specific time and a specific date. So let me give you 2 or 3 examples to finish with. Okay, on Saturday at 3:30 I will be watching the football. I know this because the football starts at 3 and it finishes just before 5. So I know that in the middle of that I will be doing the action. On Friday at 11 o'clock I will be dancing in the bar, because I know that I will be in the bar and that action will be continuing. I will also be drinking beer. I will also be talking very loud. Okay? I hope that helps. I hope you understand it a little bit. We are looking at a specific moment and a specific action. Okay? Thanks very much everyone. I'll see you next time on our next YouTube video. Bye bye now.